All right, so balloon pyramid. We each have to move these plastic cups.
I can't play this game today.
And using a semi-inflated balloon to create a pyramid of cups. Sounds easy, right? Let's give it a try.
1, 2, 3,
Seems not so wonderful.
I don't have any respiratory capacity today.
So this is what you have to do.
All right, we get it.
Wait, no, but I'm doing the game.
No, we got it.
I'm tired already.
Ready? On the marker.
Ready?
Drink. What you been doing all this time?
You have to unstack them too.
No, you don't.
Yes.
No, wait. Really and truly? Wait.
See, all when you sick your teeth.
We don't have no long capacity.
All when you sick your teeth.
Wait. All right, me done. I'm done. Look at my hand, it's full of makeup. Let me help you. Ta-da! Good job. Right. I think we're done.
Or try to stack them in a pyramid. What?
I can't.
Really?
I can't. You go now. I'm with
Wait,
you. You try.
so
I don't think you mean like that, like so. Over so?
3
Like
cups in a
so?
line. Okay, I know what you mean. I know what you
But
mean.
it have to be upside
No,
down.
I know what you mean. I know what you mean. No, that's not how you... Watch
So?
me now.
My head hurts. Excellent job, Nev. Good job.
You know, say I can do it. Wait, make us see it first if the cup can stay. It can stay, all right.
Excellent. One more right here. Good job, Nev. Keep trying. It's the effort that counts. You get A for effort.
Spurling work now.
We can't manage no more.
Wait, now we are come again. We're going to do it. I'm going to do it, man. Too close?
No, if you put it
No, if it
forward,
was too
it's not
far,
gonna
now I will stay.
Good. Yeah. Careful how you let out the hair. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, for the pièce de résistance, Never Bell will now take the balloon out of the cup and put it up on top of the pyramid. Let's go. And ta-da! Good job. Come, move away. Move away, wait now. I see your heart cracking. Stop. You got it, Nev, you got it. Well, you had it. You had it for a second. Good job. So man, he knows how to blow hot things into air.